Hello, I'm Daniel and I'm sure you digged really deep to find my channel, so I'll do my best to entertain you. Here on the left are the timestamps, like in all of my videos. So first, let me tell you some short things about me and this channel. I just finished school in Germany and decided to take a gap year to develop a full mobile game. The genre of the game will be mostly RTS, so real-time strategy, like the gameplay in the background. But I will also add some base building elements, like in Clash of Clans, and I will give the player new forces to recruit and structures to build as he progresses. I don't want to spoil too much as I've only worked 60 hours on the game yet, so I'm still at the very beginning of developing this game. And I'm using Unity because I have around 3 years of hobby experience in there. Broken down to a few words, I'm developing this RTS game because I really love the RTS genre and the big battles connected to it. And I think there are far too little games out there in this genre, and I want to help changing that. Now let the devlog begin. As I said in the first part, I am at the very beginning of the game, and what I will show you in a minute is just the first prototype. Nearly everything you see will most likely be changed in the future, especially the models, which at the moment are just really simple placeholders, because I wanted to focus on the code. Same with UI, I didn't really design anything, so you will only see Unity default buttons, and I also don't have animations. But now enough warnings, let's make a quick playthrough of this simple demo scene. So now we are in the editor window and I will just press start and show you the game. So first of all, I am connected with my mobile device, so I will get touch input from my mobile device. So first of all, we have the movement system, so I can just drag around the finger and it will move the camera. I can also zoom out and zoom in with 2 fingers. And I can also select my forces by just pressing down with 1 finger, which makes appear a circle. And if I touch forces with the circle, they get selected. And if I have selected some units or forces, I can just double click to move them anywhere. And I can double click on enemy structures to make them attack the structure. And they just attacked it and destroyed it. Now I move them through, and I can also deselect them with the deselect button. And there is another building. This one is from my team, that's also why I can select it, but there are no buttons or something like that appearing right now, because the gold pit doesn't do anything except giving me gold. Now I can also build other structures, for example this one. There's some preview spawning in, and I can't place it in another building, or I also can't place it in the forest, but I can place it on free space. And if I've built one of those, I can click on recruit, and I can click on dog, which is a force. And if I click there, and there's some progress bar and some dogs spawning in, and I can also see how many of those forces I have in game and how many of those forces I have in progress. But the progress bar is rather slow. I can also build another blight, and this way I can produce a double speed, which is really nice. You technically can spawn a lot of those, but I think these are enough. I'll just select all of them and just move ahead. Here's some path, but I can't move the camera further down there, so I shouldn't go there probably. Now I attack the wall, and they are also automatically attacking the tower, which is shooting at them, because after they destroy something, they automatically attack other things. The problem is they are not attacking walls at the moment, because otherwise they destroy to attack all walls, and this is a problem, but I will change that in the future. Now they are battling each other, and my forces won because they were more, and I'm destroying their gold pit. And now I get ambushed. Oh no, there are some enemy forces attacking me, and I have no forces there to protect me, but there's the spell button. If I click on the spell button and click on the meteor, then I lose 7 spell points, which are up there, but I can drag and drop a meteor, which is really nice. Let's say I miss half of those. That's no problem, because after some time the meteor gets refilled and I can drag and drop another one. And I killed everything, and now I won the game. I hope you liked the little playthrough and that you are excited to see more videos on the channel. This is, by the way, my first video, so it would be amazing if you could like or share it. And in the following days I will also upload some other tutorials, and if you want to have a tutorial on something specific that you saw, let's say the spell system for example, just let me know in the comments and I will drop a tutorial on this. But of course I spent most of my time for developing the game, so don't be disappointed if there are some weeks where I post nothing. And you can also check my Instagram. There I will often post some teasers or just current work for the next prototype. And some other things for you to know is that I wrote 3,400 lines for this project that I just showed you. I had 47 scripts, and like I said, I worked 60 hours. Today is the 12th day, but today I didn't code, so I worked 11 days. But in those 11 days I also had spare days. And yeah, I hope I can continue to work this productive. And yeah, I will try so for the next year, so be excited for the next videos. And thank you for watching. I hope I could entertain you, and I wish you an amazing day. Goodbye.